That's not factory hardware. What's this doing here? Quite the unit.
Yeah, it's pretty big actually when you see it.
That's what she said.
Get better at placing the camera, I think.
All right, guys, so now we got the N54 out of the 135 and we've got the LS on a stand behind us. This is the LS that we teased in the video where we got the car driving again and talked about doing the LS swap. It's really a shame that the engine runs so good, but
it's just everything else
so
attached
to it is not thrilled.
Now, before we put this engine in the car today, Derek rigged up an engine harness so that we'll be able to fire up this engine on the stand right now.
All right, so this is a 2004 LQ9 out of a Cadillac Escalade.
This is it, huh?
This is pretty much the cream of the crop as far as it goes for Gen 3 LS stuff. It's a 6-liter, it's got flat top pistons, so that means it's high compression, and this thing has a boatload of miles on it. I think it was like 270,000.
So how the heck are we gonna get this thing to run outside of a car? What do we got going on here?
Okay, so basically what we have here is we got all your standard stuff like you'd have in a regular car. We have a battery, we have a computer that controls the engine, we have a makeshift fuel system over here with a fuel pump.
So you got a fuel pump in the tank
inside the oil can there.
Okay.
Basically, this harness that I got on this engine was $100 eBay LS swap harness. You can just type in LS1 engine harness, and this was literally the cheapest one they had. I think it was $92 shipped to my door. And all the rest of this stuff is just trinkets I had laying around my garage from over the years, just kind of collecting stuff.
I will say Derek has his own YouTube channel. I think I've mentioned that before. He's been doing stuff on his channel with LS cars and restoring some stuff. So if you want the full down low on this whole setup, it's on his channel. He's got a long video setting this thing up, trying it for the first time. So we're gonna go ahead, I think, and try to fire this engine up. And Derek's got an oil pressure gauge on it, so we should be able to see if it's got good oil pressure.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see what happens.
All right, so there's fuel pump and ignition, and now this will start it. Okay.
The battery low?
I need your battery charger.
All right, round 2. Let's see what happens.
I feel like we are in some backwoods fucking garage right now. Just burning off a little excess oil, huh?
Yeah.
No big deal. Wow.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Sounds great.
I think she could be a candidate. Obviously, we're not gonna put her in as is. We're gonna go through the heads and kind of rebuild as much as we can and go from there.
Yeah, I mean, with the oil pressure being the way it is, I wouldn't even touch the bottom end.
No?
Should be fine. We'll do basics like, oil pump, make sure that's nice and fresh, timing chain, cam, valve springs, all the good stuff. Head studs, things like that. And this thing will make,
She'll sing, huh?
she'll sing.
So if you guys can't tell, I am no LS guy. Like, I learned how to work on cars working on BMWs, so I'm gonna follow Derek's lead on all this stuff. These two 135s are gonna be quite the pair to pin against each other when we're done with this thing. Now, I did just get a package in the mail, which is an LS swap kit from Mike at lse90.com. He sponsored me the kit. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys in just a minute, but I do just wanna say it's a huge deal that I got this sponsorship. I mean, this build is gonna cost a lot of money, so saving money is key. Now, if you guys have built a car before, you know how important it is to save money whenever you can, which is why I'm gonna be talking to you guys today about Mint Mobile, who I partnered up with for this video. Now, you guys are probably already familiar with Mint Mobile because you've seen those funny ads with Ryan Reynolds, who is also an owner, but let me quickly tell you how awesome their service really is. If you didn't know, Mint Mobile offers premium service for as low as 15 bucks a month, and you don't have to sacrifice anything. All plans include unlimited talk and text, lightning fast 5G, and a free mobile hotspot. You see, they're able to keep costs low because they sell everything online. There's no retail stores and there's no salespeople. And the best part is, they're built on the nation's largest 5G network. I hope that shot was worth it. Do you want to tell them that they should stop paying more for the same network and that if they want to sign up, they can click the link in my description or the QR code right here? Now, I switched to Mint Mobile from Verizon's network, which saves me a ton of money every month. Now, do you want to tell them what the best part is, Stormy?
Hey Dad, the best part is that when you watch YouTube videos on your phone, there's no buffering or lagging anymore. Everything plays super smooth on their awesome network.
And by the way, signing up for Mint is easier than losing all your 10mm sockets. You see, they've got digital eSIM cards, so you can sign up and activate right from your phone. The whole process only takes like 15 minutes. It's super easy, and if you get stuck, Mint has an awesome customer service team that'll help you through it. Ask me how I know. So if you want to have more money every month, you gotta switch to Mint Mobile. All you gotta do is go to mintmobile.com/Jake Spence, which is also linked at the top of my description, or you can scan the QR code right here. Now let's go ahead and open up this LS swap kit. All right, let's rip this thing open. So again, Mike at LSE90 sent this kit over, which should help making our lives way easier with this swap.
Yeah.
Basically, he sells a swap kit, so if you want to put an LS into your BMW,
Oh.
woo, baby,
Dude, are
what do we
those
got
badges?
here?
Oh, they're magnets.
Oh, this is sweet.
Dude.
Hell yeah. Uh-oh.
I need one.
Now we're going to have to get some Beamer Street badges.
Got a nice sticker to
That's
put on
a
the back of
sweet
the car.
sticker.
Oh, there's another one.
What do the goods look like? What do we got? Ooh, this is the, I think the cam adapter.
This is part of the accessory.
Ooh, that looks
bracketry.
nice.
Yeah, it does.
Nice black powder coat.
Oh, the finish is nice.
Nice and thick.
Yeah, no birds anywhere. That's cool.
I think this goes with this. This is going to help us retain a lot of the OE functions from the car with the LS motor.
Yeah, you can tell because those definitely look like BMW plugs. If it's goofy, it's BMW.
Little key tag?
Dang, dude, he
Hooked it up.
No kid.
Kind of feels like Christmas.
I know.
Another piece of the accessory drive, I think.
Yep. It's probably the backside, maybe.
Okay.
Or something. I'm not sure.
What is this?
That's the Weldon trans pan plug.
So this will allow us to, we're thinking we're going to do a 4L80 so we can go real fast. And this should help us mount that in the tunnel easier without having to completely hack everything up.
This, I'm betting, is some sort of mount.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
so that's looking heavy duty.
No kidding, it's got some pretty good weight to it.
Yeah, oh yeah. So this is gonna allow us to use a factory BMW motor mount attached to the LS engine and literally drop it into the subframe. So this is gonna be key. There should be 2 of these in there.
But yeah, this is another engine. That must be the other side.
Yep. Sweet.
Hell yeah.
It's probably
Oh, an idler.
yeah, an idler for the accessory drive.
Sure. Yep, and it comes with a little.
Perfect. All right, last but not least, what's in here? This is that adjustable trans mount.
Mint.
Really nice.
Yeah, this is all super heavy duty. This thing will handle some power.
Thumbs up, Mike. Thanks from LSE90. If you
Hell
guys
yeah.
want to do this swap, I'm going to be documenting the whole thing, and he's got all the parts you need, so be sure to check him out. I'll continue to promote his stuff and use it as long as it works good. Money in the bank. Dude.
Oh shit. Dude, there's a lot of room.
Woo!
She didn't come like this from the factory.
No. I like this though.
Dude.
Should we see if the hood shuts?
I'm skeptical, but I think it's gonna be close.
Be close.
Oh, just, there you go. Now we might be in business.
Oh, that shuts. That shuts, dude.
Nice, dude.
Oh, what do we got on here? Hello. You thinking like a big old turbo right here or what? It's gonna look sick. I can't believe like these mounts, money. That made her life a lot easier.
Yeah.
Let's go. Well, just like that. This is what we're gonna be dealing with. How do those fit, you think? Getting ready for some turbo fab stuff, you know? Not quite? Oh yeah. Get the other. Yeah, there's miles of room over here, dude. Get the other one and put it over here. Or are you gonna try to slide it in? You want me to do something?
This dipstick's junk.
Okay.
Like it's, you won't be able to use it anyway.
Yeah.
You want to move that line? It's pretty much where it goes.
Yeah?
Yeah, but that really won't do much for us. We won't be able to use that because to get that to.
Yeah. What if we cut it higher or does it merge at the bottom?
Actually, it's still gotta.
I think it's still on the dips.
What is going on? That's yeah, that's roughly where it is. That won't work.
I can't believe this, dude. And look at that. With the front clip on, there's still a ton of room. Now, we are gonna have the radiator and the fan going back in here, and we still have the whole accessory drive to mount onto this thing, but it's time to order some parts before we continue on with this build. And that reminds me, I just dropped some limited t-shirts and hoodies. I don't even have them in stock yet. I can't even show them to you guys, but they will be delivered in like 2 days. So head over to beamerstreet.com, let me know what you think of the designs, and if you buy any of this stuff, just know it's going right back into the channel, right back into these builds. I've got a couple LS swap designs and I got a couple just general BMW designs. So be sure to check it out. And that's gonna wrap this one up, but I would love to know in the comments, would you guys swap an engine with almost 300,000 miles into this thing? Or would that not be something you're comfortable doing? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe because this is gonna be a wild build. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.